Hey there, language lovers. Today I'm diving into the wonderful world of pronouns. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of what pronouns are and the different types you'll encounter in English. Let's get started. First off, what are pronouns? Simply put, pronouns are words that take the place of nouns. For example, instead of saying John likes John's dog, you can say John likes his dog. The word his is a pronoun. Easy, right? Let's dive into the types of pronouns you'll need to know. Number one, personal pronouns. These refer to specific people or things. They can be subjective, like I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. Or they can be objective, such as me, you, him, her, it, us, and them. For example, she loves chocolate. Here, she is a personal pronoun. Number two, possessive pronouns. These show ownership or possession. Words like mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, and theirs fall into this category. For example, that book is mine. Mine is a possessive pronoun. Number three, reflexive pronouns. These refer back to the subject of the sentence. They include myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. For instance, she taught herself to play the piano. Herself is a reflexive pronoun. Number four, demonstrative pronouns. These point to specific things. You got this, that, these, and those. For example, this is my favorite song. This is a demonstrative pronoun. Number five, interrogative pronouns. These are used to ask questions, but to think who, whom, whose, which, and what. For example, whose phone is this? Whose is an interrogative pronoun. Number six, relative pronouns. These introduce relative clauses and link them to the rest of the sentence. They include who, whom, whose, which, and that. For example, the book that you gave me was great, sir. That is a relative pronoun. Number seven, indefinite pronouns. These refer to non-specific things or people. Examples include anyone, everyone, someone, none, both, few, and many. For instance, many are called, but few are chosen. Many and few are indefinite pronouns, and there you have it. The seven main types of pronouns. Remember, pronouns make our sentences cleaner and less repetitive. Practice using different types of pronouns in your writing and speech to become more comfortable with them. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more language tips. Until next time, happy learning.